Okay, now we move to the next one. Ninth problem. In a class of 60 students, therefore number of students in a class is equal to 60. Number of students in a class. Number of students in a class is equal to 60. In a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls, and each girl contributed equal to the number of boys. So how many boys and how many girls we have to find here? Actually, they asked how many boys are there. Let the number of boys is equal to. Let number of boys they asked to know. So how many boys are there in the class? Let number of boys is equal to x. When there are suppose 60 students are there, 10 boys means 60 minus 10, 50 girls. If there are 60 students, 30 boys means there will be 60 minus 30, 30 girls. So in the same way, if total students are 60 and boys are x, then girls is equal to implies number of girls. You have to subtract from 60. 60 minus x. They contributed amount. Total they contributed amount 16. Now based on that, two conditions. One is number each girl contributed equal to the number of boys. So amount contributed by girls. Amount contributed by girls. Amount contributed by girls is equal to the number of amount contributed by the girls is equal to the number of boys. So this amount contributed by the girls is equal to the number of boys is equal to rupees x. In the same way, amount contributed by boys. Amount contributed by boys is equal to the number of girls here. So each boy contributed rupees equal to the number of girls, and each girl contributed equal to the number of boys. So amount contributed by girls is equal to the number of boys, and amount contributed by the boys is equal to the number of girls. Quite opposite for this one. That is what rupees 60 minus x. Total amount contributed. The total amount contributed is equal to rupees 1600. Total amount contributed is equal to rupees 1600. Means number of boys into amount collected by them, number of girls into amount contributed by them, which implies so x into 60 minus x plus 60 minus x into x. So number of boys into amount contributed by the boys is equal to 60 minus x. Number of girls is equal to 60 minus x into amount contributed by the girls is equal to the number of boys. So x into 60 minus x plus 60 minus x into x is equal to 1600. Okay, now let us simplify this. X into 60, 60x. X into x, x square. 60 into x, 60x. X into x, x square is equal to 1600, which implies x square minus x square minus 2x square. 60x plus 60x, 120x minus 2x square is equal to 1600. Here x square term is negative, so we transpose to the right hand side so that it becomes positive. These two terms will transpose to the right side. Suppose if x square is positive, we will bring the right hand term to the left side. But here left hand term x square is got negative. That's why these two terms we are transforming to the right side so that it becomes positive. Minus 2x square transform, then what happens here? Plus 2x square. Plus 120 on this side, minus 120x. Here already we have 1600 is equal to 0. We can simplify with the 2 here. 2 ones 2 ones, 2 60s, 2 8s, 00. So x square minus 60x plus 800 is equal to 0. So now we have to find the factors for 800. So 800 factors. 2 4s 0 0. 2 200s. So overall we have to get what? 60. So now 200s, 250s, 250s, 225s, 225s. So now 5 5s. So we have to get the combination of what? 60 first. So factors here 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 5s 40, 40 into 20, 800. This can be written as 40 into 20, 40 20 60, minus 40 minus 20. So now which implies x square minus 40 this and in this will take common here. X common, x minus 40. In this both minus 20 common. What remains here? X, because minus taken common, plus becomes minus 20 40s. So whenever we take common, we have to get the same term here. X minus 40, x minus 40. In this both we will take x minus 40 as common. So x minus 20. X minus 20 is equal to 0, which implies x minus 40 is equal to 0 and x minus 20 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 40 and x is equal to 20. So there are two possibilities. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 40 or 20. Actually, total number of students are 60. If boys are 40, girls will be 20. If boys are 20, girls will be 40. So in that ratio will be there, because total number of students are 60. Because we are getting two possibilities, x is 40 and x is 20. If boys are 40, girls will become 20. If boys are 20, girls becomes 40. So but they asked here only boys, no. So we are getting two possibilities, 40 and 20. 40 boys means girls will be 60 minus 40 20. Boys 20 means girls 60 minus 20 40 will be there. Okay, then coming to the last problem. A motor boat heads upstream a distance of 20 kilometers in a river whose current is running at 3 kilometers per hour. Here current in the sense here flow of water, the speed of water flow. The speed of water flow is 3 kilometers per hour. The speed of this waves, say no. So this is what the speed of the water flow. That is called current. A rate of stream also you can say. So the water flowing speed is what? 3 kilometers per hour. The water flowing speed is what? 3 kilometers per hour. So and one more thing here. There are two concepts here: downstream and upstream. Downstream means the boat traveling towards the water flow. So along the water flow. So the water flow is moving this side, and the boat is also moving the same direction. And whereas here that is called water downstream. So in which direction water is flowing in the same direction the boat is traveling, that is called as downstream. Then that time the speed of the boat increases by 3 kilometers per hour. So whenever you are riding the bicycle, so that time you are riding the bicycle along the wing, then your speed will be increased. In the same way, if the boat is traveling in the same direction of the water flow, then the speed of the boat increases with the speed of the stream. So now the actual speed of the boat is considered as x km per hour. Then due to the downstream, due to the flow of water, then the speed of the boat increases by x plus 3 km per hour. Coming to the upstream, upstream is what? Opposite direction. Water is flowing in this direction and boat is traveling in this direction, opposite. Then the speed of the boat decreases. When the speed of the boat is x km per hour, then the water flow is 3 km per hour, it reduces by 3 km per hour. Overall, you have to understand about the downstream and upstream. When water and boat traveling in the same direction, then the speed of the boat increases with the speed of the current or water flow. And if the boat is traveling in the opposite direction of the water flow, then the speed of the boat decreases with the speed of the water flow. So here that is called downstream and upstream. Here let speed of the boat. Let speed of the boat, and only you have to find here what was the speed of the boat in still water. In still water means what? Only speed of the boat. Still water means in the water, not here. Only speed of the boat without any force of the flow of water. That is only speed of the boat. So that is nothing but speed of the boat in still water. Let the speed of the boat in still water means only boat speed, that is equal to x km per hour. And they given that speed of the stream is equal to 3 km per hour. Now boat speed during downstream, then what happens? The speed of the boat, it adds, speed of the stream adds here, that is equal to x plus 3 km per hour. Now boat speed during upstream, now it is traveling in the opposite direction, and speed of the boat decreases with the speed of the flow of water, that is x minus 3 km per hour. Always we have to add stream speed or subtract the stream speed. When it will add stream speed means when boat is traveling in the same direction. If If the boat is traveling in the opposite direction, the speed of the boat decreases with the speed of the flow of water. Okay, they given the distance traveled is equal to 24 kilometers. Total time taken for 2 and 4. So going and coming, total time taken is what? 6 hours. So we know the formula speed is equal to distance by time. But in the given time, no, time is equal to distance by speed. So which implies total time is equal to 6 hours. No, first time speed, time taken by the boat is what when it is traveling in the downstream. So speed S1 by T1. Distance is same, d by S1 plus d by S2 is equal to 6 hours. D is distance. This is what the speed during the downstream and speed during the upstream here. So that is equal to distance is how much? 24. Speed during upstream is equal to x plus 3 plus distance is 24. Speed during the upstream is equal to x minus 3. Total time taken is equal to 6 hours. That implies LCM is x plus 3 into x minus 3. The product is LCM cross multiplication. 24 into x minus 3 plus 24 into x plus 3 is equal to 6. So let us multiply now. 24 into x, 24x. 24 into 3, 72. 24 into x, 24x. 24 into 3, 72 is equal to 6 into this one. 6 into here a plus b into a minus b. When coming to this here, it is multiplication. X a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. X square minus 3 square. So here what happens here? So minus 72 plus 72 gets cancelled. 24 plus 24, 48x is equal to 6 into x square, 6x square. 3 square 9, 9 6 54. So here taking 48x that side. Then what happens here? 6x square plus 48 on this side minus 48x minus 54 is equal to 0. 6 2 can cancel, 6 ones, 6 8s, 6 9s, which implies x square minus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. So factors for 9, 9 ones 9. So minus 9 here, minus 8 no. So minus 9 plus 1, minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. So which implies x square minus 8x can be written as minus 9x plus x minus 9 is equal to 0, which implies x common, x minus 9 plus 1. Already we have x minus 9, simply we will write 1 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So which implies x minus 9 common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. When product of two terms is equal to 0, each one is equal to 0. So x minus 9 is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9, x is equal to minus 1. So we will not consider negative, we consider positive. So therefore, speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water. In still water means when water is not flowing, or you can say simply only speed of the boat. Speed of the boat in still water is equal to x is equal to 9 km per